it's Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and we are back at it. You saw that prep work, you saw the seasoning, and you saw the binder that I use. A couple things I had for a minute, and I wanted to try it out. I believe that combination is going to work good. These right here. I use one of the newest seasonings, or sauces, sorry, Japanese dipping sauce from Bachans. This is one of the newest ones I've seen in the store. It was on sale, so I grabbed it. And on here, it says sweet, savory, and garlicky, and it does taste that. And the Memebers Mark Sweet Applewood seasoning, I'm pretty sure this is banging. It tastes good. It has a nice, good smoky smell to it. And it says it's with garlic, applewood flavor with garlic and chipotle. Sweet caramelized applewood flavor. Okay. It is packed with some chilies, I'll tell you that much. And it smells amazing. And when I was mixing the meat up, as you've seen, these two together, smelling very, very good. So, hey, let's get off to some smoke. So we're gonna glove up here, setting pretty hot, like 250-ish, 260, creeping on that 275. We're gonna definitely lower the coals now and get these bad boys going. Because I'm gonna drop some wood in there. And these breaks off a little bit. You know what I mean? Clean that off just a little bit. I'm definitely gonna get a good cleaning down on my pit. It's just hot out here. And I ain't about to be out here in the heat dealing with chemicals. Well, not even really chemicals. You know, I got some all natural stuff that I use to clean my grill, but it's just too hot to be out here right now. So I'm keeping it maintained so I can get some nice little grill sessions. Maybe a good long smoke on the offset soon. And just keep it pushing, but I'm definitely gonna clean this bad boy up before once it start cooling down. So these are chicken legs. And we're gonna put these bad boys skin side down. Got a good little sizzle. We're gonna keep these bigger ones to the back because that's where my heat be. So I'm gonna keep the bigger ones to the back and the smaller ones up to the front. I'm gonna definitely have, you know, I got my top rack and my hot zone for my cool zone in case we get a little flared up and all that out here. And because I don't want these to burn. So I noticed my smoke was looking funny. And I came out here and I'm like, damn, what's going on? Look at that. And I'm like, what's going on? Forgot to open the damn chimney. That is a rookie mistake right there, boy. Anyway, we're doing good. You see we got some good color on there. So I definitely got a hot spot. I was having some issues over here, but I definitely got a hot spot. So it's just time to exercise that proper fire management, and I'll be okay. So this sauce, I'm just gonna get some more of this Bachans. Right, couple tablespoons. About a tablespoon more of the seasoning, or a teaspoon and a half. And then I want to sweeten it up a little bit with about a teaspoon of dark corn syrup. So I'm gonna mix that up, and we're gonna be back to some saucing. I like mumbled my words right there. All right, so we got that sauce hooked up. I'm not gonna sauce all of them. I am not gonna sauce all of them. And yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, you know what? I only want to sauce a few because I want to see how the sauce work out. So we gonna sauce 5 of them because I didn't make that much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit to try out and see what it do. and see what it do. It's a little thick. I guess this is the Japanese style dipping sauce. Like that's the consistency, kind of thick. All the Bachan's products are good. I definitely got some of that hella hot. I want to put some spice on some cute. That's all I'm saying. Some good spice, some nice Asian flavors. You know, touching on my Filipino roots. So definitely want to incorporate that in there. All right, so I got those sauced up. Just a nice little coat. Not too gloppy. And I'm gonna set these over here because everything's pretty much done. I'm just gonna let this sauce set up, and then we're gonna be back eating. So we done. Daughter hooked up some of that good old school broccoli and cheese rice. I believe this is the Knorr brand. You know, we grew up on rice-a-roni in the hood. This is the sauced. This is the unsauced. So let's check that out. Some of that rice first. Yep. So I'm gonna try the unsauced one first. Is it right there? The smokiness from that seasoning. After a little nasty dangly part, on the chicken leg that, as a kid, used to make me not want to eat chicken legs. Nice clean chicken leg. And I watch people eat that part growing up, man. I used to be like, fucking disgusting. I ain't gonna lie, man. I used to, telling what I see up in the sky, man. I'm not even gonna front. All right, here's the one with the sauce on it that I came up with. That's just the Bachans, the little bit of the seasoning, and some dark corn syrup just for a little sweetness. Damn fly. All right, so I had to go put my food up, man. That fly was attacking me, and I'm telling you, it was on my hand, and it was like right here, and, so hey, check that out. The seasonings, one of the newest sauces from Bachan's, totally garlic Japanese dipping sauce. Sweet, savory, and garlicky. It really is. It has a nice garlic punch to it. And then if you at Sam's Club or Walmart, Sam's Club. I don't think they're gonna have this at Walmart. But Sam's Club got this right here, the sweet applewood flavor seasoning. Very good, very versatile, and I can see myself using this on some pork, even some shrimp, man. And some fish. I'm dead serious. I'll season that bad boy up and batter it and fry it. But hey, nice quick grill session. Appreciate y'all joining me on this one. As I look off into the horizon, the clouds have been looking funny lately. Be sure to check me out on YouTube, right here on YouTube, in the Smoke Keenan. Check out my playlist. Check me out on Instagram, not on Smoke78. Check out that Black Smoke Barbecue podcast. And just as a reminder, me and Tyrell's over on IG and Facebook Watch. Some people out there I'm friends with friends on Facebook with, and we follow each other on Instagram. So I'm sure they're well aware that me and Tyrell's over there doing our thing called What We Got. All right, y'all be cool, be safe, be smart. Don't forget to love yourself and love one another.